The first attempt has failed, but it revealed everything. This tractor isn't just stuck, it's embedded. This isn't just a repair, it's a complete rebuild. But the structure is still there, and that's enough. It doesn't move, completely seized, nothing. Everything shows the same story: decay, seizure, neglect.
Decay, seizure, neglect, but still intact. And that matters. No shortcuts, no rushing, just layer by layer, revealing the machine beneath the years.
Applies steady pressure. The bolt resists. He adjusts grip, then applies torque again. A sharp crack breaks the bolt give.
The cylinder head lifts free. Inside, the engine internals are exposed. This is the core.
He pushes again with slow, controlled force. A subtle shift. Then it slides. He applies steady pressure. The piston doesn't move at first. He pushes again, slow, controlled force. He flushes the tank repeatedly, then adds cleaning solution and agitation media. The tank is rotated slowly. Even the smallest components are He works carefully around the rim. Outer edge first, then inner lip, finally. Short weld passes. Pause. Reposition. This prevents heat distortion and ensures strength across the repair. You can see the cabin area, once fragile, is now structurally sound again. Not just repaired, reinforced. The structural repairs move upward into the operator area. This is where control lives, and where damage matters most. The high-quality enamel provides a rich, smooth finish. The classic color scheme of industrial gray and deep red. He reaches for the first components, internal supports and bearing inserts, placing them carefully into position. Each piece. He reaches for the first components, placing them carefully into position. The engine is no longer being broken down.
He lowers the crankshaft into the engine block, carefully aligning it. The shaft settles into place with precision. He
Then comes the torque wrench. He tightens in sequence, crossing pattern, gradual increments. The click of the wrench echoes. He flushes the tank repeatedly, then adds cleaning solution and agitation media. The tank is rotated. Inside, it's degraded residue, rust particles, and sludge. He flushes the tank repeatedly with clean. The original wiring is brittle, cracked insulation, corroded terminals, unreliable. Each terminal is secured tightly.
The technician installs a new system, routing wires along the original paths. Each terminal is secured tightly.
He aligns the pipe with the engine outlet and secures it firmly. Vertical, straight.
The
welds are strong. Now they must be refined. The technician returns to the repaired sections.
He works in short passes, feathering the transition between old steel and new patch. He pauses occasionally. The tractor is ready. Now the heart returns. He lowers the engine slowly. The engine settles into position.
He starts with the primer touch-up, then transitions to final paint. The rims receive a deep red finish, matching the chassis. He presses the pedal slowly. It moves smooth, no resistance. He releases it. It returns.
The structure is complete. Now comes comfort. The technician positions the new seat cushion over the restored metal paint. The structure is complete. Now comes comfort. He aligns the edges carefully, pulling the upholstery evenly.